Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharon. How are you doing? It's very close to Valentine's Day. Have you decided what kind of nail arts you want to wear on that day? Due to the economic situation, a lot of us just cannot afford to go to the nail salon. So today, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful Valentine's Day nail sets with only one color polygel. Let's get started. The first step is always nail prep. If you want your nails to last long, this step is so important. So just take your time, remove all the cuticles, roughen up the surface of your nail bed, remove any shine to make sure the polygel can stick to your nail tightly. So today I'm going to use this extra long nail tip that I got from Amazon. If you like the shape and the length, I'm going to put the shopping link down below in the description box. To make it easy and faster, today I'm going to use the lazy girl method. Lazy girl method is basically just you use the polygel to glue the nail tips on your natural nails. With this method, you can do only the least shaping and filing after you're done with the nails. Because you only need to worry about the underside of your nails, the upper side already been done. Now I'm going to apply base coat on my nail bed. A thin layer will be enough. It's not about how thick you apply it. It's only about how good the coverage of your base coat. And be careful, do not make it flat to your skin, because if you do, later that's the part will start lifting. Cure them completely for 1 to 2 minutes. Now this dark nude color is the polygel that I'm gonna use. This polygel is from one of our all-in-one nail kit. Again, I'm gonna put the shopping link down below in the description box. If you are interested, you can definitely check it out. But if you already have a lot of unfinished polygel, like me, you don't need to buy any new. You can use whatever color you have on your hands. Do the same, and after you're done with your full set, you just apply the gel nail polish, and like a nude color, and it will also work. So now, while I'm brushing the polygel on my tip, I want to make sure that the side close to my cuticle area, I want to make it thin enough. So when I put it on my nail, the polygel won't be squeezed out. So I'm just going to lay it on my nail bed and gently push down. Push down and to cover my whole nail bed. I'm gonna give it a flash cure for like 10-15 seconds. So now the upper side of the nails has been cured, but the underside I need to clean it up. It seems like this part is kind of too thin. I can easily see through. So I'm gonna brush again to even it up. The tip part is okay because I'm gonna do a French nail tip design. So Doesn't really matter. Okay, now I'm gonna give it a cure for another like 10-15 minutes. Sorry, seconds. Now I'm gonna move on to the next nail. Basically repeat the whole process again and again for all 5 fingers. Once the whole hand is done, give it a fully cure for both sides of your nails for about 2 minutes. Now I think they look good already. If you don't have enough time, just do a basic filing and buffing and apply the top coat and it's done. Okay, it's time to draw the nail art. I'm gonna use 4 different colors to draw a French tips on each nail. My hand is a little bit shaky because of the coffee. I figure if I do my nails in the evening or even in the afternoon, because normally I drink coffee in the morning, my hand will be more stay still. But I don't know if you guys have the same experience, but you know that the drawing part is definitely just a skill. I mean, the more you practice, the better you will be. So just yeah, take your time and practice it. And if you don't like it, if you think it's too curly or something, just wipe it off and draw again. Don't judge yourself. I know that I've been there. Sometimes when you just start doing your nail arts and you judge yourself like, oh, no way I can do it, that's too difficult for me. You know what? It's actually not. Just be patient and keep doing. Because I never done any nail arts by myself for my first 30-something years. So if I can do it, you can too. So just be patient. And after I finish each nail, I'm gonna give a flash cure for like 15 seconds just to hold the surface of the gel polish stable. And I'm gonna do a fully cure after the whole set's done. On my thumb, I want to do a different design. And again, I'm gonna give a 15 seconds cure for this color. Then move on the next color. Okay, now the whole set is done. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drawing some XOs on my nails. And I'm using the dotting pen to create a little heart and a kissing lips. Well, this brush is sort of too thick. I'm going to change it to my another one. To make sure I won't accidentally wipe it off, I'm gonna give it a flash cure, then move on to the next nail. apply the top coat to seal all the colors and make it more shiny. To be honest, this is my favorite part of doing nails. Okay, cure them completely. Oh, I love them. They look so cute. What do you think? If you have any questions and suggestions, just comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you have a wonderful day. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.